Welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you a employee pay statement web application. So you can see there is a pay statement for the employee that is completely created automatically. The database we use here, the Google Sheet and the web app script for the front end. Okay, so this is a employee pay statement with some security verifications, the email OTP verifications. What does this mean? Let me show you. I just simply refresh my web application, and you can see this is the interference, and this web application is also mobile friendly, so you can easily use them on your mobile as well. Okay, so let me show you the mobile friendly interference. So you can see this is also mobile friendly interference. Okay, fine, sir. So there is a drop down where you need to select a sheet. What is the sheet? January, February, March, April, and how you can add that I will show you. Let first we will check out the functionalities, is it working or not, because in this all the things, the logo and the names will be customizable. So here we need to paste our employee ID. We just go to our January sheet and just copy our employee ID from here and paste it here. Now I just simply click on this send OTP. So what does it do? It will check the email from the C column and send the OTP to the email ID, to the employee email ID, so no one can access the pay statement of the employee without entering the email OTP. Okay, so this is the your payslip verification code. You just simply need this copy this verification code and come to here and paste it here and click on verify and view payslip. And when you click on this verify and view payslip, as of now you can able to see the employee pay statement. The data is completely fetched from the Google Sheet, so you can also update the data from here as well if you want to do so. Okay, so if you want to make a print, you can also do the print, something like that, which is very professional, and you can see this is a very clean print, and this will be on the A4 paper size, or you can also save them as PDF as well. Okay, so there is a employee signatures and there is authorized signatures, and the date of the fetching will be automatically comes. Now the question is that how we can add this logo. Okay, just go to your uh just go to your Google Sheet, and in the settings section you see there is a logo URL. You just need to upload the image in your Google Drive and copy that particular URL and paste it here. That's fine. And there is a remade scripts payslip. I just updating the name. There is a remade scripts payslip, and here you can also update the data as per your needs. This is the company tagline, and this is the app title, so I am also using this. Okay, fine, this is fine. And if you want to update the currency, you can also update the currency symbol from here as well. Let me do this, and the currency code I am also going to update here from here. And now the system settings is updated successfully. And if you want to change the HR email, you can also add them. Right now I am using the demo email here. Okay, let me refresh our web application. So when we refresh our web application, as of now you can able to see here the data is updated successfully and the tagline is also updated successfully. So I just go to here, and here's the one thing how you can add the March, April, May, June, July, August. So simple is that just go to your Google Sheet and just right click here and click on this duplicate and rename the file the March. Okay, and also again if you want to add, just go duplicate and you can also April 2025. Okay, fine. So you can also align them the 2025, 2026, 2027 as per your needs, what you want to give in the name. After that you need to refresh your web application simply, and you will see those new edit sheets, those new duplicate sheets in the drop down. So this is April 2025, and I just come to here and make it the 400. Okay, employee double zero E3400 and just come here and paste it here, and here I am going to make them the single as well. Okay, so I just simply click on this send OTP. So when I click on this send OTP, as of now you can see invalid email format, please contact HR to update your email address. So this is a another feature which we have added here. You will notice them, there is a note at the rate in this Gmail. So just go to your sheet and enter the at the rate at the gmail.com. Now the email is looking correct, fine, and just simply click on this send OTP. So when you click on this send OTP, so your verification code is sent to this particular Gmail. Okay, so once you get the email, you can see this is your verification code, and on the sheet there is a column number AK where you also get the OTP. Okay, so it is not just sending the OTP. For some time it generate the OTP and save in your Google Sheet for checking. Okay, so maybe at a time multiple peoples can fetch the pay slip. So there, if we go sending the one OTP, that will not be good approach. So we need to create a separate column where we will save our generated OTP for the particular employee ID, and then for that particular employee ID session we need to match them and access allow to access to view the results. Okay, I just simply copy this and paste it here and click on this verify and view payslip. So you can see the access is granted and this is their pay statement. Okay, so also you can see everything is updated here, currency is also updated. So I think this is a perfect employee pay statement for your businesses, for your schools, for your companies. Hope you will like this video and you will try this on your end, and this video will be very grateful for you, and this makes your task automate. You can also add the Excel formulas, Google Excel formulas here to make the automations in the backend. So you can all do a lot of work and make your employee pay statement form, employee pay statement slip professionally and automated. Okay, so how you can set up it on your PC, on your come on your email. So let me show it to you. Just when you get the email, the Google Sheet URL, you will see the something this kind of interference on your screen. So you just simply click on this make a copy, and when you click on this make a copy, this Google Sheet is successfully being copied in your Google Drive. Okay, that's fine, understand. After that you need to just simply click on this extensions and click on this app script. Fine, understand. Now what you need to do, nothing need to change the Google Sheet ID, everything, because it's using the auto ID. Okay, just simply click on this deploy, click on this new deployment, and click on this deploy again. So when you click on this deploy again, you can see it's updating the deployment and it will may ask you to grant the access. So you need to authorize access. Okay, I just authorizing access, click on this advanced, go to this untitled project. Okay, again click on this select all and continue. Okay, so and when you continue, it will give you a Google web app URL which you can send to your emails to check their employee pay statement on their mobile phones or laptops anywhere from the world. So hope you like this video and you like this concept. So in this way you can also set up this on your system. So we thank you very much, take care.